What if you could site inspection, GPS location, client details, and photos all in one beautiful mobile application that even works? So, meet our app, a student survey. It's a modern field inspection and survey applications built completely with React Native and Expo. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to showcase one of the best of my React Native project, Survey Students. So, this application is designed for engineering, surveys, inspection, and fields, and professionally who needs to collect accurate inspections and daily quickly and efficiently. The best part is its work completes usually local storage and while powerful native device like APIs like Camera, GPS, Contact, and Clipboards. Tech stack is before jumping into the app demo. Here's a quick overview of the technologies I used. I used to build a React Native Expo 54, TypeScript, Expo Router, Expo Native, Expo APIs, Expo Camera, Expo Location, Expo Clipboard, and Expo Content. The entire application follow a clean, modern, and with reusable component and model file-based routing systems. One of the highlights of this application is a premium user interface. I designed the entire app using a soft, modern, neofusion design systems. Every card, buttons, icons, and interface has smooth and shadows and rounded corners and facing support like both a light mode and a dark mode theme. The instruction is clean, minimal, and optimized for Android device. First, I start the app with login. Here we get the start app. First we log in. If having a not a account, then you sign up. If having account, then login. You log in. Come let's start it. Here having a password. Here user can quickly see the survey counts and recent survey history, quickly action, shortcuts, and important statics. And also everything is designed to provide instant access to most frequently and the features. So here creating a new survey is a sample. For example, we start a new survey. Here the site name. So example, I write a Swaminarayan, a site name, and the client name we write a Rahul is a client. So here a description like he is learning React Native. So here we write the priority high, low, medium wise. So we write priority and here we write the date, inspection. Here we submit the review. Here in the review also we add the photo. So here we add the photo. Here it's take a capture photo and take permission. So here we capture the photo. Capture photo. It's go to another review. So after capture you add a location wise. So here it's give a real Expo location GPS track, a real location it's give longitude and latitude wise and accuracy also a correct one. After that, after adding a location, you see you add a context source from your contact. After you add a context source, it's having a clipboard. Add any description about that person. After all the thing complete, then save the note. Here the survey is fully completed. We are having, you see, all about the Rahul, the client information, client side detail, description, and all about the survey is completed. You can perform complete validation to ensure all the required information is provided before continuously. After that, we check the camera feature. In dashboard having a camera feature, it first take a permission to take image, then it capture the image and save the image of the survey points. It can request permission first, then capture high quality photo, preview the image, view capture, timestamp, and retake also image. You can delete image with confirmation it's a perfect image or not. This make document much easier. And during inspection. After that, having another option, a location having next come one of the important feature, GPS tracking. Using Expo location, the application automatically fetches latitude, longitude, GPS accuracy. User can refresh their current position at any time, instantly copy the coordinates and clipboard for sharing. After that, here having a content integration. In content integration, you see that at drawer neighbor, you see the content information. It's first ask the grant permission to allow the take content information and pull to refresh. Then avatar generates and copy the contact number and empty state if handles. In after that, it's having a clipboard manager. You see that in row number, having a clipboard manager, here you see site names, contact information, current location, and draft here notes to write. They can also paste note directly into survey and clean keyboard content whenever it's required. After all the survey, you can also remove. Before submission, user get completely survey preview. This included site information, client details, capture photos, and GPS coordinates content informations. If anything needs correct, user can add it before the final submission. You can see that here having a dashboard and here having history. You all about the information of survey details, and you also can delete if not required the survey. Every in normal in survey history, every submitted survey is stored locally using async storage. User can survey filter by priority like high, low, medium, and all. View details, delete records, manage draft. The enter a complete local first. Accurate. It's internally the project follow a clean architecture. The application uses Expo Router for navigation, React context APIs for global state and management, usable UI components, usability function, and moderate folder organization. This structure makes the project scalable and easy to maintain. The application is performed with local lazy load reuse component and optimizing rendering. Everything is designed to deliver a smooth user experience. At the last of this about the website, survey students, my complete smart field survey and inspection app built using React Native and Expo. This project demonstrates native mobile deployment, modern UI designs, and device API handling and scalable application. I hope you enjoy this workout. If you find this project interesting, do not forget to like the button, leave your feedback in the comment, and also you can download the APK to check the website and use how it's work. Subscribe for more React video, full stack development and open source project. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.